Okay, see question number 2. Let the solution y is equal to y of x of the differential equation dy by dx minus y is equal to 1 plus 4 sin x satisfies y of pi is equal to 1. Then what is the value of y of pi by 2 plus 10? Okay, 7 has to come answer. Let us see. Before that, shall I write one formula? Linear differential equation formula. What is this? Dy by dx plus py is equal to q. That means q should be in the form of x and p should be in the form of y. That means here dy by dx. If this is there, first we will find integral factor. What is integral factor? E power integral p dx. Then what is the solution? Y into integral factor is equal to integral of q into integral factor dx plus c. Okay? These three you have to follow. Now what you are going to understand here? See, dy by dx, p value is minus 1. P is equal to minus 1. What about q? Q is equal to completely 1 plus 4 sin x. Okay? Let us go for integral factor. E power integral minus 1 dx. That is equal to e power minus x. That is equal to 1 by e power x. Now what I am going to write? I am going to write integral factor has come. Y into. Y means y. Into means, shall I write like this? E power x is equal to integral of q into. What is q? 1 plus 4 sin x divided by e power x. Into means divided by all. Shall I write like this? E power x dx plus c. Okay. Now shall I split this? Why? Because see here two things are there. I am splitting e power minus x. Integral e power minus x dx plus 4 integral e power minus x sin x dx. Okay. Plus c afterwards we will see what will come under. Okay. Plus c also we have to take, but we will take it finally. Now integration. What is this? Minus e power minus x. This value. E power minus x only will come because of this minus will come. Divided by minus or minus. Okay. Plus 4 times of I am taking. Implies I is equal to integral e power minus x sin x dx. Now u into partial differentiation I am doing, that is equal to e power minus x integral sin x dx minus integral d by dx of e power minus x, again integral sin x dx whole dx. See, we are doing this I. Don't forget. Okay. Now I is equal to, why? Because this has come already 4i. In whatever we get, we will keep in here 4i. Okay. This e power minus x integral sin x is minus cos x minus e power x cos x. Okay. Over minus d by dx of e power minus x is minus e power minus x. Integral sin x is plus cos x dx. Okay. Now we have to do this. That is equal to minus e power minus x cos x. You keep like this only minus. Now this plus is there. That means u into v. Again you have to do this cos x with cos x. E power minus x you take as u. Integral cos x dx minus integral d by dx of e power minus x. Again integral cos x dx whole dx. Bracket close. Okay. Now come back. Now we are doing I only. Don't forget. I is equal to minus e power minus x cos x minus Okay. Integral cos x is sin x only. That means e power minus x sin x will come minus integral d by dx of e power minus x means like earlier e power minus x only, but minus will come here. Okay, integral cos x is plus sin x dx. See, this minus shall I send here? Now what you are going to understand, integral e power minus x sin x dx is your I. That means again I has come here, but outside minus is there. If you open bracket, what will come here? I is equal to minus e power minus x cos x minus e power x sin x minus I. Okay, minus I you send this side. That means 2i. 2i is equal to minus e power minus x. If I take common, cos x plus sin x. Is it okay? Why? Because see, minus e power x cos x minus e power x sin x minus e power x cos x minus e power x minus sin x. Sorry. Minus e power minus x sin x. 2i. This is 2i. What about 4i? 2 you take minus 2 e power minus x cos x plus sin x. 4i. Directly submit it in this area 4i. Okay, see what I want to tell now. This is what, this is this only. Okay, e power y by e power x. Y by e power x is equal to minus 1 by e power x plus 4i. Plus 4i means here 4i value minus is there. Minus 2 by e power x into cos x plus sin x plus c by e power x. Why I have taken c? Whenever you get both side log or e power x something, then put that for c also, constant also. Okay, that practice we have to do. Now see, e power x shall I cancel? E power x, e power x, e power x, e power x. If I cancel, now finally what is y? Y is equal to minus 1 minus 2 cos x plus sin x plus c. Okay, now this is y of x, like y of pi, you submit pi. Why? Because see 1 is there. That means see y of pi is equal to 1 implies minus 1 minus 2 times of cos pi plus sin pi plus c is equal to 1. Okay, see minus 1 okay, but what is cos pi? Minus 1. Minus 1 minus 2 times of minus 1 plus c, sin 0 sin pi both are 0 plus c, that is equal to 1. 1. Okay, see what will happen here? Minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. That means see 1 plus c is equal to 1 implies c is equal to 0. Okay. If at all c is equal to 0, see I want to write here. Okay. Have patience. C is equal to 0 means this we are not writing, directly we are writing answer now. Y of pi by 2. Y of pi by 2 is equal to minus 1 minus 2 times of cos pi by 2 plus sin pi by 2. See minus 1 no change, minus 2 times of, see cos pi by 2 0 we know very well, plus sin pi by 2 value is 1. That means see minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Minus 3, but you don't require this, you require plus 10 again how to make. That means see plus 10 is equal to 10 minus 3, 7. 7 will be your answer. Okay, let us go for next question.